Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm working on my 450Mt. I'm going to be fitting some parts that have arrived recently. First off will be the factory bash plate. So grab a seat, stick around and see how it goes. So to start off with, just remove these. There's enough, one on each side. Then we have 12-13mm bolts, I suppose. What I might do as well is remove these. There's been reports and a couple of videos of these bars being full of water. So I'll remove them while I'm doing the bash plate and see if I've got water in it. Three. Oh, that was easy. Right. Now, let's have a look what we have to do to get this bar off. So we've got one there, two there, looks like three, another Allen key there, and Allen key there. Alright, let's get into that. Okay, that one's out. Now I'm going to remove this Allen key out, or this Allen bolt out of the lower, up at the bottom side of the upper crash bar. Right, that one's out. Now I need another big one in that bolt. Two big ones, okay? The hose isn't giving me much room. I might have to see if I've got an old 6mm and cut it down. Found an old Allen key, the right size, cut down to suit. Now it probably would be easier if I took these guards off and the fairings off. I'll remove the radiator hose, but definitely don't want to do that. Okay, so I've got it out. If you can see, just the end of my thumb there's a hole. I can hear water coming out or sloshing around in it. Wonderful. Oh, it's even drained out the bit at the bottom there. So I'll be getting a bit of silastic, cleaning it up and silasticking that hole up. Might also get some rust inhibitor, put that inside it. Okay, so here we go with the other side. Yep, plenty of water in that. Right, time for a wash, and I'll find the heat gun, dry them out so I can put it back together today and go riding in the morning. Okay, so I've cleaned these pipes out. I actually flushed them with fresh water, and then I sprayed some, or dried them out, and I sprayed some CRC in it to disperse all the rust and whatnot. It is a bit of a rust preventative, so I've just done that. I've got to get some silastic and silastic up these holes, that one and that one there, but I can do that at a later date. I didn't have any silastic left, and I've got to get it together so I can go for a ride tomorrow. So it's just going to be put in, and I'll pull it back apart later and seal that up with silastic. Okay, so just sorting what goes where. And look at it, these go into there on either side. That's for the 6mm bolts. Go through, and there's no grommets for that. Thought there would have been. There's none in that. Yes, I don't know if I've been shortchanged something. There's nothing there on the instructions for anything. Okay, that one's in nice and loose. That looks a bit better. There we go. Now she's going in. Right. Yeah, somehow I get 2 more in here. Yep, it screws into that. And that goes up in there. That goes into there. Okay, that one's in. So this space, I think, is in here. What goes in through that? That lines up. That. And then into that. And that's the 5mm. Easy peasy. Okay, so here we go with the lower crash bars and the CF Moto heavy duty bash plate installed. It fits in there. Crash bar goes up, mounts behind the other one, and a bit of extra stuff around because I took this subframe out and they've been filling up with water, and mine were, so I treated them. You can see a bit hectic in there, and those 2 bolts out, and there's another one at the front in there I've still got to tighten up. But basically that's it, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a like if you did. Don't forget to subscribe, and yeah, we'll catch up with either more mods or some adventures out riding this thing, getting it dirty. Anyway, thanks for watching.